So Virat, you take your bag out, okay, and make sure that you are being careful with your feet movement because this laptop might fall. Yep. Yeah. What did you raise the hand for?
Why does that sound scare the mosquitoes?
That's a science question. It's a math class. I'll not answer that.
God is very high.
Okay. All right. So let's get started. We'll check the tables quickly. Okay. So we'll start with Nihit. Table till
12,
8 9 ja.
72,
9 5 ja.
45,
12 3 ja.
36,
4 8 ja.
36,
12 9 ja.
108,
Wonderful. Love it. Nihit. Nikhil. Quick.
8,
8 4 5 ja.
20,
6 3 ja.
18,
5 9 ja.
45,
6 3 ja.
18,
8 4 ja.
32.
Good job. Riyaz, put your hands down. I'll call out the names one by one. Don't worry about it. Everybody has to answer tables, okay? All right. Anika, table till.
Why is she not
Oh,
reading?
no. Nobody will poke into others' affair. It's only till 1. No, 2. Okay. 2 4 ja. 2 9 ja. 3 2 ja. 3 5 ja. 4 2 ja. Rudraj, don't do that. Don't try moving the table. You are getting into trouble and you are getting everybody else into trouble as well. 4 5 ja.
20,
4 8 ja.
120,
4 8 ja 32. See, you told me table till 2 and you were able to answer table till 4. So I know who knows what. Okay. All right. Let's go to Rudraj. Table till
9,
8 8 ja.
64,
9 4 ja.
3, 6,
6 8 ja.
48,
7 9 ja.
63,
Wonderful. Yug. Table till
still 11,
9 4 ja.
36,
6 8 ja.
6, 48,
9 9 ja.
81,
8 7 ja.
56,
7 7 ja.
6, 49,
Good job. Virat.
12,
12 8 8 ja.
64,
9 9 ja.
81,
6 8 ja.
48,
12 4 ja.
48,
12 8 ja.
96,
11 9 ja.
99.
Wonderful. Now let's go to the kids here on the screen. I'll go one by one, so no need to raise hand. Start with Aditi. I'm starting alphabetically. Aditi,
yes sir,
table till.
12,
Everybody keep your videos on, okay? Okay. 12. 8 9 ja.
72,
7 9 ja.
63,
12 9 ja.
108,
5 9 ja.
45,
2 9 ja.
18,
12 8 ja.
96,
7 9 ja.
63,
Wonderful. Let's go to Ahana. Ahana, table till.
8,
5 8 ja.
5 8s are 40,
4 9 ja.
4 9s are 37,
7 4 ja.
7 4s are 28,
5 7 ja.
5 7 35.
6 8 ja.
6 8 48.
7 3 ja.
7 3 21.
8 7 ja.
8 7 56.
Wonderful. Let's go to Noah. Noah, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till
12.
8 8 ja. 8 8 ja. Don't do that. Don't do that. 9 7 ja.
63.
6 9 ja.
54.
12 4 ja.
What?
12 4 ja.
12 4.
Mm-hmm.
48.
11 7 ja.
77.
12 9 ja.
108.
Wonderful. Yep, it's 108. So wherever you get doubt, make sure that next time before the class, practice. Just spend 5 minutes, okay? It'll be fine. Now let's go to Kian.
Yes, sir.
Table till
I'm trying to focus on just 0 to 12, sir.
0. There is no table for 0.
Sorry, 12.
12. Because 0 1 is 0, 0 2 is 0, 0 3 is 0, 0 4 is 0.
0.
Doesn't change.
And
Okay.
never done 0 0.
Okay.
It's just if you
Alright.
multiply a number with 0.
So that plane has to stop. I said something that was only to wake up everybody. Now Kian, table till 12. So 8 9 ja.
8 9 12 22.
8 8 ja.
8 8 64.
2 4 ja.
8.
12 9 ja.
What?
12 9 ja.
1 wait.
8 9 ja.
8 9 62.
11 7 ja.
11 7 77.
8 7 ja.
Oh, 8 7 56.
Good job. Let's go to Laksh. Laksh, table till
13.
13. 13 4 ja.
13 4 or 52.
13 6 ja.
13 6 are 78.
13 9 ja.
13 9 117.
12 8 ja.
12 8 are 96.
8 6 ja.
8 3 are 24.
13 7 ja.
13 7 91.
91. Don't ask me questions, just give answer. If you're wrong, I will figure it out. Okay? Alright. Good job. Let's go to Snara. Okay. Snara ready?
Yeah.
Table till
14.
14. Everybody keep your videos on, okay? Aditi, Ahana, everybody, okay? I love seeing you all the time. Okay? Alright. So, table till 14. 13 5 ja.
65.
14 6 ja.
84.
12 9 ja.
108.
13 7 ja.
91.
91, yeah. 13 8 ja. Virat, no. 104, yep. Good job. Let's go back to Ananya and Aditya. Keep your videos on and tell me if both of you are there, one of you are there. Who is ready?
12.
Till 12, 8 9 ja.
94.
8 9 ja, 94?
No, 70.
Okay, 9 9 ja.
81.
12 4 ja.
48.
7 8 ja.
56.
12 7 ja.
72.
84. 12 7 ja. 12 6 ja 72.
Huh?
12 7 ja 84.
Um,
Yeah. Ananya, ready?
8,
8. 5 4 ja.
20,
6 8 ja.
48,
7 9 ja.
63.
8 4 ja.
What?
8 4 ja.
32,
8 9 ja.
72.
Wonderful. Let's go to Rian's.
Yes.
Table till
12.
12. 12 9 ja.
What?
12 9 ja.
108.
7 9 ja.
63.
8 8 ja.
64.
7 6 ja.
42.
2 3 ja.
6.
12 9 ja.
108.
Wonderful. So see, you will see that I'm asking questions to you guys. Sometime in between I'll ask 2 3 ja or 2 4 ja, and you guys will say this is easy peasy. I am doing that check on purpose because how quickly you are able to switch from any number to any number. That will ensure that with table you're not going wrong. Okay, so don't think that I'm underestimating anybody by asking any stupid question. I'm just trying to see how easily you're able to switch. Okay, all right. Let's go to Bhuvi. Bhuvi, table till
Um, 5.
5, 2 3 ja.
6.
3 4 ja. Don't worry about anything. Yeah, 5 9 ja.
45.
3 8 ja.
24.
4 7 ja.
20.
28. 4 7 28. Okay. All right. Good job. So Bhuvi, you are going good. I am very happy with the progress you are making. Okay. So I mean, everybody else in the class, they have been practicing learning tables for some time. You have started little recently, but you are making good progress. Keep working on it. Okay. Now let's go to Sanvi G. Yep.
Yeah.
Table till. Sorry, beta.
12.
12. Okay. 8 8 ja.
64.
9 7 ja.
72.
9 7 ja.
Oh, yeah. 81.
63. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
12.
12 5 ja.
60.
8 8 ja.
64.
6 9 ja.
54.
12 9 ja.
108.
Wonderful. Very nice. Now let's go to Wade.
Yes.
Table till
12.
8 9 ja.
77.
7 7 ja.
49.
5 8 ja.
40.
6 7 ja.
82.
12 9 ja.
108.
Wonderful. Okay, I see Vishal is still there in the class. Vishal, you might want to drop off. Vishal or Vasundhara. If it's Vasundhara,
I
You're at Vishal's house? Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, I'm attending from their house.
Okay, okay. So Shanvi.
Yeah,
So Shanvi table till
13.
39 ja.
117.
12 5 ja.
12 5. 60.
12 8 ja.
94.
96.
Yeah.
6 8 ja.
48.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 7 ja.
84.
13 5 ja.
65.
Wonderful. Very nice. So see, this is the reason now you will see that why I keep insisting on you guys to turn your videos on. I was wondering why Vishal is still here, because Vishal's class ended at 4 o'clock, and why Vishal is still with me. So that's one thing. And then obviously when I teach something to you guys and I ask, did you understand it? And when you say yes, by making the eye contact, I can understand whether I was able to explain it well or not. Okay? Right? So that's why keeping the video on is very important. Now, question back to you guys. So, Saturdays we always end up spending 15-20 minutes of the class in the beginning to do tables revision, right? So that's what we did. Now, all the kids who are drawing pictures, making flowers, braiding their hair, leave that aside. We'll start learning something. And braiding hair is something I feel very jealous of, because I cannot do that. Okay? So kids who have long hairs, they can braid, I can't. So that's why I say, okay, don't braid your hair.
My hair is very short.
Okay. Alright. So Nikhil is, not Nikhil, Nihit. Nihit is the one who keeps drawing my pictures. And I'm asking him not to do that.
Pictures?
I said Nihit.
Not me.
Not Nihit is the one who's sitting behind you, and he has already drawn 5 pictures of mine.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay, Yug. Not for you. I'm just, see, sometimes I crack, not sometimes, many times I crack jokes, not to disturb anybody, but to make sure that I have everybody's attention, right? Everybody was bored. After telling their tables, they were thinking, okay, what to do next? I have to wait for another 15 minutes. Yeah.
What use this for, I guess?
Yeah, that one doesn't work as good as this one actually. Alright, so if you guys remember, what did we learn in the last class? Previous week?
I forgot.
Anika, braiding hair, you and I will do together after the class. Okay?
After my mom shaved his head off.
Okay. Alright, so do you guys remember what did we learn in the last class? Yes, Noah?
I wasn't here last class.
You were not in the last class. Okay, Riyaz was saying something? Anybody remembers what we learned in the last class? Anybody? Yes, Aditi.
I'm not sure.
Not sure.
Decimal division and number line.
Decimal division, number line. Are you painting fractions on a number line? Yes, yes, Sanvi. Yeah, sorry, shh. Yeah, Sanvi, go ahead. Yeah, tell me. Thankfully, I'm not as close to you, otherwise you would have just banged my head. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so the last at the ending of the class we did something like a graph. Something.
Graph, yes. Data representation is what we started. So, in the last class, Kian, keep that bubble gum away. Shh.
I'm going to eat my bowl.
Okay,
Thanks for reminding me.
If I am telling anybody not to do a certain thing, that doesn't give you a license for doing that nonsense. What are you doing right now? What did I tell you in the beginning of the class? You will find out ways not to get scoldings. And you take pride in doing something that gets you scolding. Not good. Okay? Everybody, attention back. So, just to do a recap of what we did in the last class, we we learned about number lines. How do we represent fractions on a number line? How do we visualize mixed numbers on a number line? And then we started talking about data representation. Data is one part. Representation makes it more meaningful. Now let me show you guys something very important, very interesting, very simple in nature. Nehit, here. So let's say we took an exam of this class, okay? Everybody got, it was an exam for let's say 20 marks, okay? And do react to things when it is worth it. I'm saying, my name is Birendra Kumar. That sounds stupid. Right? So, only do things that is important, that is meaningful. Okay, coming back here. So kids, we had a test of 20 marks. So the maximum anybody could get was 20. Okay? And obviously there are some super talented kids who will get 0 also. Okay? But, okay. So coming back to this one, so there was a test. Not this class, somewhere else. There was a test that happened. And everybody got different marks, okay? So I'm putting the details here, okay? Kid 1, 36. Kid 2, 20 marks, not 36. 16. Kid 2, 15. Kid 3, 18. Kid 4, 6. Kid 5, 12. And goes on. Kid 20. 20th kid got, let's say, 70. Yeah, wait.
I can't really see what you're writing, but it's so light.
Okay. Thank you. So, okay, guys, anything that gets you distracted, promise yourself without me getting reminded by me. Take a deep breath and settle down. Whenever you get distracted, get a reason to laugh, take a deep breath, okay, I need to get back to the class. And anybody gets scolding or a bad name for their own self. Don't put the blame on Anika for you getting scolded or Nihit for Nikhil getting scolded. No.
Hey,
It's always for yourself. Yog. What I'm saying is, don't find reason to put blame on anybody. Control your emotions, control your actions, you'll be fine. Yes, Shanvi. Yeah, go ahead. After you put that symbol, you just go. Don't wait for me. Yes, Shanvi, go ahead.
I can barely see.
I heard it. I changed the marker. So now I think you can see it. Okay? Yeah? Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So going back to my old story. There are 20, there is exam for 20 marks. Okay? There are certain number of students and we got they took the test and we got score for everybody. Okay? So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 28. Okay, I'm not putting the marks for everybody. Somebody got 15, somebody got 16, somebody got 12, somebody got 8, somebody got 0, somebody got something, somebody got 18 also. Okay?
Good job, zeros.
Okay. So these are marks that kids got. And since somebody is waiting for opportunity to get distracted, they got 13. Happy? Now, okay, no, nobody will find out reasons to laugh. You are seeing some numbers, and this is fine. Now, if let's say there were only 20 kids or 15 kids, I can still read the numbers. Imagine a school like yours. where you have 200 kids, maybe. Or maybe 300 kids. And then imagine how big the table would be and how easy or difficult it would be to read the numbers. Okay? Difficult? And it's just not about reading the numbers. Who's talking? Okay. It's just not about reading the numbers. Now look at a situation. I'm saying we got some data and now I'm saying okay, 5 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20. Let's say 20 kids. I got 5 to 10, I got 4 kids. 10 to 15 marks were obtained by, let's say, 12 kids. And 16 to 20 was obtained by remaining 4 kids. So if you are looking at this information now versus seeing the number of all the 20 kids, no, hands down. There's no question to ask. Right now.
Can I read the restroom?
Yeah. So here, let me repeat my story. So there were 20 kids who appeared for exam, and that exam was worth 20 marks. So no, I don't need to note it down, okay? I'm just telling you as a story. Once you follow it, it will be easy. So there were 20 kids. They appeared for the exam of 20 marks, and everybody got some score. I have listed down a table. This table versus this table, where I'm saying, okay, instead of listing all the kids one by one, I'm saying, okay, 5 to 10 marks, 4 kids, 11 to 15 marks, 12 kids, and 16 to 20 marks, 4 kids. Now this data versus this data, how am I reading? Let's say I'm the teacher who took the test. And what matters to me is, are my kids learning well? No need to ask questions. No need to ask questions in between. I'll tell you guys when the chance comes. Let me complete my chain of thought, then I'll come to you guys. So, as a teacher, when I look at this data, oh, kid 1 got this, kid 2 got this, kid 3 got this data versus this data. Here, okay, I'm looking at, okay, out of 20 kids, 4 kids got less than 10, less than 50%. Out of 20 kids, 12 kids got 11 to 15, meaning up to 70%. And 4 kids got 16 to 20, which is more than 80%. This gives me some information as a teacher that, okay, there are some kids, 4 out of 20, who are very, very weak. They need to be taught differently. On average, more than half of the class is okay, doing okay. And there's some very intelligent kids who are getting more than 80%. So now, with this information, I'll come up with my strategy for these kids who need some support and these kids who need more motivation to do even better. And make sure that these guys are not going down. So basically what I'm trying to say is, when you're looking at this data, this is unorganized data. I have organized the data with some understanding so that it gives me some meaningful information. Nehit? Okay. Nikhil. My neighbor does only car wash, doesn't teach math. Here. Okay. They do car wash. Do you know that? I've seen them doing car wash. Okay. So here, what I'm saying is, when you took an exam, collected information, put that in a very unorganized form, you're not able to use it. When you organize the data, put the information here, now you can do some action. So this is the difference between this data and this data. This information and this information. This is raw information, unorganized data. Just putting some number. It's like you pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15, 17, 20, 25. Doesn't make any difference. Doesn't make any sense. It's just something in the raw form that doesn't give you any clue. But when you organize the data, put it here, this is called structured data. So that is one difference that you will see here. This information or that data is unorganized, unstructured. When you try grouping them with some understanding, it becomes structured. That is, this is called structured data or organized data. Is this part clear or confusing?
You.
Confused.
Confusing? So it's okay. And that's a fair point. If something is confusing, it's confusing. Now let's look at it this way. Let's say this time I did not do exam. Exam is not always fun, right? Sometimes you guys will think of too much of exam. Not good. And this is not a discussion. We are not in a debate class where you will have to react to everything that I say. Try following it. Rudraj, why are you writing on the table? Here, let's say we have 15 kids in the class, okay? And everybody is of different age. Some kids are 8 years old, somebody is 9 years old, somebody is 11, another kid is 7-year-old, somebody is 5-year-old, nobody is 5 years. Okay, let's say 8. Somebody is 11 years old, somebody is 12 years old, somebody is 9.5, somebody is 12. Three plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 3, 10, 12. Let's say somebody is 9 years old, 11 years old, and again 7 years old. So I have put down the age of 15 kids. Okay? Noah, is that okay? Riyan's okay? Sinara okay? Ananya Aditya okay? So I have this is the age of 15 kids in my class. What can you do with this?
Keeps coming to me, got in my eye.
What is that?
A bug keeps coming to me, got in my eye once. It's so annoying.
I'll scold him. Yeah.
So you put the number of the kids who are 8, then write their age, then you write.
Okay.
So first you write how many kids are this specific age, then you write their age.
So right now I just talked to everybody in the class. There were 15 kids. I asked, okay, you're Rudraj, what is your age? You said something, I wrote it down. Ved, how old are you? I wrote it down. I said, Sanvi, how old are you? Sanvi said her age. I wrote it down. And I have just put the numbers here. Now by looking at this number, Sriyanvi got one more student. Okay. So here, just by putting those numbers, this is what I have captured. There is enough information here. But this is very confusing, isn't it, Noah? What will you do with these numbers? If you just read some numbers, what does it mean? Yes, Ved.
It's like you can make a dot plot and you know like how many people are there? 8, like 10.
Exactly.
9, 11, 7, 8, 9.5.
So I'll show you the journey. You guys the journey, okay? So this is the data, raw data, unstructured data, unorganized data, okay?
So the bug keeps coming.
So, okay, if a bug comes to you here, near your eyes, then are we going to do debate over a bug? And if you are doing it, you are bugging the whole class. Yeah? So, I'm not here. My neighbor is starting the car. Another neighbor is going very fast on the road. What will you do with that? Here, come back here, everybody to the class. Shh, everybody back to normal. Take a deep breath, get back to normal, we'll continue. So this is what is called unstructured data. We cannot do much with that. Now look at, okay, this information is good, but I will put some structure to it. I will say age group, number of students. Now here I am saying 6 to 8 years, 8.1 to 10 years, more than 10 years. Now see, 6 to 8 years. let me mark all the ones which is 6 to 8 years. This, 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 this. That's it. So how many greens we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 kids, 6 to 8 years. Okay. Then now 8.1 to 10 years. Let's mark them as blue. This one, this one. Yeah. So got 8 to 10 years.
2.
1 blue, 1 blue, 2.
There's a lot of more inside.
More than 10, how many? Let's mark them in black. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 8 to 10, there was another one. This is not 2, this is 3. This 9 is also that one. Okay. So marking them blue. I'll mark this guy also blue.
So let's say 6, 7.
Uh-huh.
6,
What?
7.
If that is getting you motivated to do a nonsense, stay out of the class. I kill AI, right?
Yeah.
And if you do something, you will be out of the class for sure. So now, more than 10. How many do we have? I'll mark them all black. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So there are how many black? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's only one.
So now from this data to this data, this was unorganized, unstructured. We have put some structure to it. We have done some grouping of data, which makes some sense. No, hands down, hands down. What we are seeing here is we categorize them into different groups. Okay, 8 groups, 6 to 8 years. How many? 8 more than 8 to 10. How many? More than 10. How many? Now this is much more organized data. Whatever information we had, we put them into some groups, and we are very clear. Okay, there are some kids who are very young, 6 to 8 years, and some kids who are more than 10 years, and this range we have this many kids. So if you have to find out, see, if you think about, you guys get vaccination at different age, right? So they are the kids who will get maximum number of vaccination, right? Very young kids. Less, very less. So if you have to, let's say, plan for vaccination for kids, you know that, okay, you have to buy 6 vaccines for all the kids who are below 8 years.
So,
Yep.
sir,
Yep.
this is basically a way of turning unorganized data into
Organized data. Now, so the next step, it's a 3-step process. You have unstructured or unorganized data, you organize it, and then you represent it. Now, let me put that in a more pictorial form. I'm saying 6 to 8. Here I'm saying 2, 4. Who's playing with that pen? Why you guys have to make that extra noise? Why you have to keep on making that noise? I don't understand that.
No, I'm okay.
Who is making that sound? You were making that. I saw you doing it. Then you are doing it. Anita is also doing it. I don't know why I have to keep on reminding you guys. You guys have left that diaper stage long time ago. If you are still making that mistake, the kids with diaper will laugh at you actually.
I know.
You guys have time to laugh for another 30 seconds. Once I'm done drawing this, then we'll come back to what we are doing.
I don't have a pen.
It's okay. If you are not doing it, you don't have to feel guilty for it. Kids who are very smart, making mistakes, and still not learning from it, that is where the problem is.
Yeah. Like,
Okay. So here, before you guys get tempted to ask any question, let's look at the journey. We had this data which was not making any sense. We had right information but in a very unorganized form. What we did, we organized that data and put some structure to it. Now we took this information and plotted even a much more friendly graph. I'm saying this bar is representing 6 to 8 years, this bar is representing 8.1 to 10 years, and this bar is representing more than 10 years. So unorganized data, organized data represented in this form. So this is the journey that every data goes through. When you're looking at information, right, be it with respect to COVID, be it with respect to age of the kids in the class, be it with respect to the numbers scored, people nobody looks at this data. People work behind the scene to collect the data, organize it, and then represent it. And most of the people look at this to make some interpretation from the data and then externalize it. Raj, if you're getting tempted to make a good friend with Yug, do it outside the class. So why are you getting close to his eyes? Are you going to pick out something dirty from his ears? Yes, wait, you're saying something.
I forgot to close it.
Okay. But did you guys, yeah.
Did I just hear thunder?
Okay, everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Even if you heard thunder, be sure that we have a roof on our head. First the roof will break before it comes and hits us. So we are safe. Okay, take a deep breath, come back to the class. Everybody. I'm sorry?
Where's the box?
Guys, no, control your emotions, guys. Everybody, shh. No need to laugh that much. Everybody here. No, let's not waste too much time on jokes. It's okay to crack some joke in between, but not at the cost of the class. Yes, Noah, what's your question?
A bus video was lit on fire.
What is that, Stanley? You might want to go on mute. Yep. Yes, Noah, you're asking something.
It's not a question, but I think I'm actually starting to understand it now. I think I get it.
I'm sorry?
I think I get it now.
You get it now? So this is part of life for us, for all of us. There's a lot of information that we keep coming across every now and then.
Sorry, I was late.
There's no point saying sorry, you're late, that's it. It's very late. Yeah, no, it's okay. It's already very late or way too early for tomorrow's class. Okay, guys, everybody doesn't have to give the expert advice after one statement. Let's come back to the class. So what I was saying was, we come across data or information every day. We come across information every day. And that information, our brain is useful, is sharp, but we don't use brain for things that is not worth it. You would not want to waste your brain for memorizing these numbers.
Yeah.
What you are interested in is this, which gives you some insight into things, from which you will make some interpretation and then make a decision. Now, I'll give you guys some other example. So right now we looked at this data, we categorized them, and we plotted this. If you're looking at this graph, this is called bar chart because you are seeing these bars, the candy bars or whatever bar you can relate it to, right? So that's why it's called bar chart. Here, if you look at this, 6 to 8 years, 6 kids. So this is close to it is near 6. So the height of the bar represents the value of these numbers. Okay? Yes, Sanvi.
Sir, isn't it called a bar graph?
Bar graph. It's called bar graph or bar chart. Yep. Yeah, Laksh.
This is a bar graph, but if the bars don't have any any gaps between them, it would be called a
Histogram. So I'm not going to the histogram yet. I'm just trying to make sure that you guys first understand this. Now let's look at. I cut that discussion, right? On purpose I said we're not talking about histogram. So let's know about it. But I'm saying that I'm not talking about histogram right now. We'll come to that. But in a more structured, more organized way. Thunder, okay guys, that is nature. We have no control over it. Let's not worry about thunder, okay? If it rains, my car will get washed. That's it. Yeah.
It's matter that when the thought going to come out.
Yeah. That thought is on the board right now. This can really. Shh, guys, control your emotions. Control. Control, as I said, control. Okay, Rudraksh, stop. Now let's look at something more reasonable and you can relate to it. Let's talk about, this is the month of October and we have seen that the temperature has been going down. It's getting better, less hot. Let's say October, we're talking about October starting 15th October. 15th October, 16th October, 17th October, 18th October, 19th October, 20th October, 21st October. 22nd October, let's say.
Yeah.
On 15th October, let's say the temperature was, maximum temperature was 85 degree Fahrenheit. On 16th, it was, let's say 88 degree. On 17th, it was 83 degrees. On 18th, it became 81 degree. 19th, it was 79 degree. On 20th, it was 85 degree. On 21st, it was 76 degree. On 22nd, it became 73 degree. 23rd, 24, 25. I'll stop here. Okay, so 73, 71. And then 24th, guys don't have to react to everything, okay? On 24th, it became 69. On 25th, it became 68, let's say. Now, all this information that you see right now, I can put on, let's say, you see 85. '88, '83, '81, 79, 85, then 76, 73, then 71, 69, 68. And here I have dates 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now here, these are the different bars for different dates, okay? And the height of the bar is representing how high the temperature was. Now from this one, what you are seeing is between 15th and 20th of, see this data was good. This is the base of this graph. But just by looking at the numbers, it doesn't make much sense. Now when you are plotting that as a bar graph, what you are seeing, from 15th to 20th, temperature was fluctuating. So you were not sure whether winter is coming or not. But starting 21st, you are seeing a continuous decline in the temperature. Time to take the sweaters, jackets out. Correct?
Oh.
So this graph, this gives you a lot of information. Yeah?
How much time do we have left?
Okay, Rudraksh and you. Now stop that. Don't find reason to laugh unnecessarily. I'll not answer that. When the class gets over, you guys will get to know about it. Okay? So I don't believe in answering that question. But I am not given license to anybody to laugh unnecessarily. Okay? So here, from this data to this data, what you're seeing is, this gives you a lot of intuitive view, lot of easy ways to relate and draw some interpretation from it. You need to learn how to get scared.
What?
Not you. You.
Me.
You need to learn how to get scared.
Me?
Me.
See,
Because I thought you were looking at me.
cut it out. You need to learn how to get scared. When I say scared, meaning a way to think that, okay, am I doing it right? Is this a mistake? Am I supposed to keep on repeating the same mistake over and over again? If you don't learn that, I can give you in writing that you'll not be able to become a good student. Yeah? Discipline is the most important thing in life. Coming back here. So now, from this graph, this gives you a very intuitive way to derive some conclusion. Do you have to memorize anything? No. By looking at this, you can see the trend. By looking at the numbers, you will see, but it will not be very intuitive. Here we saw some fluctuations, but that was very short-lived in our memories. But when you look at this graph, this is becoming very clear. That, okay, here you are seeing fluctuations going up and down. But then starting 21st, we see it moving towards cold. So if we are not taking the jackets out by 25th, maybe by 30th we must have it out for sure. Otherwise, we are getting into trouble. Yeah? And again, this is not for you guys to plan your jackets or warm clothes to take out. I was saying that this is another way to interpret why these data representations are important. So far we have talked about bar chart and dot plots. Now there are other charts also. So far we were only talking about why this is needed, how this helps. Now we will, in the next class, what we'll do is we'll talk about few charts like bar chart, the histogram, and line graph and pie chart. These 4 things we will learn in the next class so that we are able to relate to it and see different types of charts and how does it help us build a better understanding of a concept called data representation. Okay, all that we learn, right? I mean, it's like this. You learn something and you don't write well in the exam, your score goes for a toss. Same thing here. You have enough information that is not represented well is of no use. So that's where data representation plays a very important role in our life. Okay? Not only for learning it, you will see it every day, at every point. Some information, some data comes to you. If it comes in the raw form, you will not be able to make any head or tail out of it. If it is structured, it makes much more sense. Any questions before I let you guys go?
No.